Today we're going to replace the spoiler on a second gen Honda Odyssey. First, we're going to remove this third brake light. You're going to remove a cover that on most 99 through 04 Honda Odysseys, this cover is going to be missing. So don't even worry about it. Good luck finding a replacement piece. You're going to remove that Phillips head screw. And then you can pop this out from the right side. Pull it out from the left side. You're going to remove that bulb. Twist to the left. And normally this wiring would be on this retainer, so you would just pull it out. And that's it for this first piece. You might want to remove this bulb so you don't get oils or dirt on it. With the latch completely up, we can see that the hose for the rear windshield washer is completely torn. Every Odyssey that I've seen has this hose torn. So we're also gonna take care of that. We're gonna remove 4 nuts. There's 2 hidden behind this trim piece. So with both hands, we're gonna grab onto it at the top edge and pull out. It's only 5 clips. With that, you expose 2 nuts at these holes, and there's 2 nuts on the outer edges. Be careful when removing these nuts because you might drop them into the abyss. Very careful, okay? All right, you have all 4 nuts removed, but there's still one more thing holding this spoiler in position, and that's this little clip. To loosen it up, you're gonna have to go through this hole. Yeah, that one right there, in the middle one. Remove that cover. I'm using a trim tool. Yeah, just get it out of there. So once you have access to this, you're gonna squeeze in the ends and then pull it out. With the middle clip piece disconnected and the 4 nuts removed, we can now easily lift up on this. You're gonna pass your wiring through here, let it rest. It's also gonna be on that retainer. There's a little retainer right there that is gonna be connected to still. And now you can remove this. At this point, we're gonna restore the hose that goes to the rear windshield washer nozzle. Remove this Phillips head screw. And then your assembly will look like this once you're finished. So you cut that tubing from the nozzle and you add brand new tubing, which is 5/32 vacuum tubing. I use Gates 27042. Get yourself a nice reel of it. Then you're gonna need a connector for it. Get yourself Dorman 47307. You're gonna use a 3/16 connector. And once yours looks like this, you're gonna put back that Phillips head screw, snug it up, and I cut it to length. Well, I cut it just a little bit longer so I can adjust it when it's on the vehicle. We got the spoiler back into position. There's not much to it, just make sure the bulb, the wiring for the bulb gets into its position. The hose routes through the back right here. And with this new union, with the existing other union over here, you can see that it gladly accepts it. But be very careful because this piece is like a Z and it is very delicate. You don't wanna restore that other end just yet. It still has a lot of life left. So we're gonna give this a try, see if it's working. And there it is, you guys. It is restored beautifully with no leaks. From here on, you're gonna snug up the 4 nuts, put in your 3rd brake light, snug up the Phillips head screw, and that should be it. So let's restore these older Odyssey vans. In my opinion, I think they're wonderful. So that's it for this video. See ya in the next one.